So just done feeding my chicken. So today we'll proceed to my bonsai. So I would like to share to you my dwarf or water plant or dwarf jasmine. So to have my what we call this pine trimming. So my dwarf jasmine is a tree that's almost already become a bonsai. Then in trimming this dwarf jasmine, you should be careful so that the leaves will not be damaged and will not be cut, and it's nice to look up. If you trim this like just trimming a boss, it is got a problem because it's very ugly. So just sharing my dwarf jasmine because it's been a long time that I never trimmed this one, and it's very slow growing, this one. So before we continue on trimming this one, I would like to show that yesterday I dig some what we call this over here Argao Taiwan. The form is weird, so that's why I decided to dig somewhere in my surrounding. So I just get a camera and focus on it. So these are my Argao Taiwan that I dig yesterday. You can see the form is weird, so it is something unusual. That's why I decided to get it. So I just hope that it will alive, or sa Bisaya pa mabuhi na siya. So balik na tayo, or we will go back to my water plant or jasmine. So let's begin. So I just use the bangkito or small stall because if I use the chair, so my view of the image is going down, so I cannot see how my bonsai materials look. So first first impression of this bonsai, I don't like this before, even although my master, because it's very brittle and you cannot bend it because it make crack always when you bend this bonsai materials. So I just thrown my materials on this. Then I realized that when I saw some of my bonsais who hobby in other country, they're making this bonsai good. They can make. So just curious, I tried restoring these materials. That it seems that if you will learn to manage how to take care of it, you can make them beautiful. So the important here is if you cut the leaves when you trim, there's a possibility that it look ugly. That's why I mentioned a while ago that you should be careful in trimming this. When you trim this one, you should be careful in trimming. Avoid cutting of the leaves. So if your bonsai is already almost done, you should be careful in trimming. Even though you are not joining the competition in some bonsai show, but avoid that there's a tear of your leaves of your bonsai. So I'm very sorry about my English. Sometimes I get the wrong grammar. So we get another bonsai materials here. So like this one. So I cut already on the top so that it remain their natural form. So this one, like sample, this one, like this one, the direction of the branches is like that. When you trim that without knowing, or you just have a problem cutting the leaves like that. So what happened now, you have a cut leaves, and this cut leaf will be discovered by the judge. There's a minus on that one. So that's why if you already having your bonsai almost done, you should be careful in trimming your bonsai. You need a small scissor, not like the one. This is too big for pine trimming, because I don't have a small scissor. I just use this one. So I've done trimming of my jasmine bonsai materials, or other call this materials water plant. So this is my plant. Before this we have a trunk over here and going this way, and it happened that it was break or na banggi or nabali or naputol yon. So what I did, so dito, then pagganyan na lang. So may imagination of this one, may bahay dito, kaya yung sanga niya papunta doon. View under. So that is my, or this is my dwarf jasmine or water plant. So I'm going to get another bonsai materials, which is a Argao Taiwan, to be trimmed and to be shared to all my subscribers and viewers. So let's go there. So these are the two bonsai materials that I'm going to add on working on this day for continue to my water plant. So this material I've already printed uprooted. So I just quick trim of this one, trimming. Then we have another one here, also Argao Taiwan. Then only a few roots coming out. So I bring that materials to my table and have trimming. So by the way, I just like to share to you my bougainvillea that is amazing color, and it's very nice. So maybe I can earn money about this bougainvillea because the color is something unusual. So these are the product of my bougainvillea. I've already marketing 2, 6, 8. So let's proceed on working on my bonsai materials. Here's now my Argao Taiwan bonsai materials. Then need more. What is this? So we have a small branches going out this area. So I will try not to cut this one. If ever my imagination will prosper, I just leave that. So I just leave that grow bigger, so that because I want to make this material into small one. So for now, I don't have stone here, so I need to bangil this one. I forgot what I say. So maybe like that. Then if this one become bigger, then up to here, I just hope that it look nice. So now we will start trimming this one. So I've done trimming to my bonsai materials with this Argao Taiwan. So we'll proceed to another bonsai materials in here. We have another Argao Taiwan here, which is it's hard to make a nice form. This one. So what I do on this one, so that I can take off some of my wirings. So I will going to defoliate this one. This is very easy to defoliate. Just do like that. So I'm done working on my Argao Taiwan bonsai material. So since the trunk on the primary trunk is small, so what I gonna do this one is transfer into a big pot because the pot is too maliit and too gamay and the root is already going outside. That's why it's not grow well or hindi maganda yung pagtubo niya. So it's very nice. You can see just convincing in the camera the shape because when I prepare this one, I twist plenty of bonsai materials. Then it result like this. So for me, it's look nice. I don't know. So my viewers and subscriber, it is nice looking on this bonsai materials. But although I will transfer it to the pot that is bigger than this one, so that it can grow faster. So for this morning, just sharing about my bonsai journey at home, a daily routine of my life. Here, caring of my bonsai, playing RC, watching TV, go to the mountain, go to the boulevards and other. So once again, thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. Have a nice morning ahead of you. Bye-bye.